Hi all healthy people. After really hard training, we need load ourselves with the calories. So this morning I had quite hard trainings and then cardio. So our protein absorbs already. And I will make some healthy sweets. Same. We do it from bananas. Frozen bananas and some frozen grape. And we need to break it on as smaller pieces as possible, otherwise it will take quite a long time for mix it up. Yeah. If you have some passion fruits, you can make experiments. You can add a little bit lime or lemon if you want to make quite nice aftertaste. I will add just a little bit of dragon fruit. Here two bananas, two frozen bananas. I put it on overnight. So basically it's like for 2 portions of ice cream. We blend it up, that's it. If you want to, if you have not enough good fat, you can add a little bit of butter, but you need to warm it up to make liquid, or you can add a little bit of peanut oil, coconut oil, or so on. Yeah, it's really hard. Tough job for our blender. This time I want to add a little bit of milk powder, but it depends what milk powder you have, because some of it have quite a lot of lactose. So I take with a higher level of proteins, about 15% of protein, to make a little bit of milky taste. But if you are vegan, so probably it will be not suitable for you, I guess. So if it 2 portions, I add 2 tablespoons of milk powder, and today I will use beans milk. Beans milk not taste that good if normal milk, but basically here generally it tastes quite okay, I would say. Yeah. And our grape, I froze it a little bit. It's not frozen yet, but almost. For make all of the mass look like ice cream, what most of people love it. So basically you can fake it, you can make something what look like and taste like ice cream or biscuits, or I don't know what other food you like. If you like chips, you can dry some fruits and so on. And yeah, making cottage cheese. So I try another kind of milk as experiment, and let's see how it will works. Basically now it looks like alright. So for making grape taste, I need to add about 20% of the grape to our mass. So basically all of the procedure will take less than 5 minutes. So mostly what I try to do for cook everything really quickly, less than in 5 minutes, if it's possible of course. And we'll add the milk. About 20% as well, compared to bananas. That's it, we're done. Like to cook fast. That's it, less than 5 minutes our super healthy ice cream is done. So basically bananas is sweet enough. If it's not sweet enough for you, you can add a little bit of honey, for instance. And no chemicals, no preservatives. And it's really good. Just look on this beauty. Time of degustation. Really nice. Well, you can add a little bit of peanut butter to it, like a tablespoon, and it will make really nice aftertaste. So you can make quite interesting experiments each time. So hope you like it. Hope you will support me. See you tomorrow.